Hello everybody and welcome to this course called Learn JavaFX by Example. My name is Ismail Uballa and I will be your guide throughout this whole journey. I'm a passionate full-stack software engineer. I've been working on various projects covering software design, architecture, and of course, implementation on both web and desktop. Now, let me give you a brief overview of the course so that you will get an idea about what you will learn. So the first section is getting started with JavaFX. In this section, we will talk about the prerequisites and we'll also prepare the environment. We'll talk briefly about JavaFX and we'll create a first JavaFX application. After that, we'll move on to build a calculator, where we'll go through creating the project, preparing the requirements, and building a very basic calculator. The next section will be enhancing the calculator with controls. In this section, we will take our basic application to the next level, where we will add more controls, more functionalities to it. Then after that, we will move on to drawing characters and shapes, where we will see how we can draw shapes, circles, lines in JavaFX, and also play with texts and add shades to it, for example. Then after that, we'll move on to a much more practical section with creating a to-do application, where we will discuss the specifications, also go through borderless UI, which is one of the amazing things I love about JavaFX, and also we'll do the coding and wrap up the whole course. So the key audience for this course are, of course, developers who would like to build amazing applications with feature-rich user interface using JavaFX. I would assume that you have basics and understandings about OOP, which is object-oriented programming, in Java, of course. All right then, let's just get started.